This is the Ayla & Co. fanny pack diaper bag or belt bag. It's in green. I'm just going to show you what all can fit in here. I have a couple Ayla & Company bags, and I love them. They're great quality and beautiful colors. So looking in, there's a lot of pockets in this. There's front and back pockets that have magnets to hold them shut, and a thick belt that is the regular size, so it's 32 to 46 inches. A beautiful gold belt buckle. It is a heavy-duty belt, so it holds tight and is adjustable. This company always has great quality products, and you can tell that in this video. Looking inside the bag, let's just see what all we can fit. We will start with some diapers, because you definitely need that if you're using this as a diaper bag, belt bag. So we'll put 2 diapers in there. I added my wallet, a lipstick, a little first aid kit, some perfume, my car keys, a little brush, and I have a freshly opened bag of wipes, so I'll add that. I probably wouldn't put this whole thing in there, but I wanted to see if it would fit, and it does. It zips up nicely, and then we still have the 2 pockets in the front and back